Okay, so we're going to actually update a particular record from our database. So let's get that started. In the employee controller.js file, you still need to make a copy of what we have. I think I have a copy of that. Just oh, that's the ID. Let me have another copy, and let's just do that now. Okay, so we need to update this particular method. We could call it update employee. All right, and now you're going to change the find by. Now it's going to be find one and update. So it's going to be find one and update. All right, those parameters will go, and let me show you how you're going to do that. Firstly, you open your wiggle, and we have to point to the particular ID. So we get to see that. Let's get to quickly look at Postman. This ID is what you will need, this particular one. So it's an underscore with an ID. So you do that right there. Underscore with an ID. Come up. Now you're going to have the request param. Request dot params. Pointing at the employee ID. Right there. So that closes that. It's not finishing. You need to call the request body. That body. And you also need to give some attributes like the new. Make it true so that you're going to actually see new records after the updated one. So it's not going to give you a still record. That's the essence of this new keyword. And you could also use the use find and modify. Also set the pointer of this to false. Alright, so you have it set up this way. You could save. Let's see if you have an error right there. Our server is running appropriately. Now you head straight to the routes. In the employee routes, you need to take off this. Don't need that. And you don't need this. But before you actually do this, you need to add the import, which is going to be the update employee. Okay, and pass it the parameter. In the put statement, you put the update employee as you have it imported. Now let's save. Let's look back at the terminal. It's all fine. So let's get straight to Postman, and we're going to update a particular record, and we're still going to use an ID to specify. So let's update this one. Now we're going to open it up for the form URL encoded. So what are we updating? We could actually close this out. We'll close this out. Close this out. Since it's an update, so one record at a time, you don't need to actually send all the attributes or all the fields to the API. Just update or just send the particular field you updated. Now this, I'll probably want to change it to George. And now we're going to change the verb to put, and we could actually issue out the command. So if you notice, the first name has changed to George, just like what as we wanted. Now you could as well, let's update the email to deliver for you. The same thing applicable right there. Can you see it updated? And the newest record, that's the latest change, come after the updates. So that's just what we need. Thank you very much. In the next video, let's get to delete a particular record. Don't go anywhere.